Okay, everybody. So we are now at evaluating logarithmic functions using the calculator. Okay. So para ni sa katong mga dili pa kayo familiar mo gamit ang calculator, and just a word of caution, no? Dili tanan calculator parehas og buttons ug parehas og function every button. So you have to explore your calculator. Explore the functions of your calculator. Okay? So unsa ang pag-input ani? So, kung natay examples, we have here log of 100 base 10. So, how are we going to solve that in our calculator? So, in our calculator, we have a log function here, log. And then, you don't need to enter the base anymore because the default base for the log is 10 on the calculator. So, if you input 100, that would be 2. Okay, so we will get y is equal to 2. Okay, so let's try another one. Log base 10 of 5.2. Okay, equal to siya, so 0.716. Okay, so nga na siya kasimple, no? I bet so most of the calculators yung ani ra pud ang logarithmic function. So last one is log of 1 over 5. So 1 divided by 5 is equal to siya. So negative 0.699. Okay, so you can also do, if you don't have that fractional, pwede ra gyapon og 1 divided by 5. So it's the same thing. Okay, so let's go to a different case. So what if ang base nato is dili 10? Diba? What if our base is dili 10? Let's say for example, ang base nato is 7 or any other real number. So unsa man na nato pag-solve sa calculator? So napud tayo ginatawag nga change of base formula. So tanaw nato sa definition, if a is not equal to 1, b is not equal to 1, and m are positive real numbers. I think na ni a dire. A and m are positive real numbers. Then log of m base a is equal to log of m base b, or log of a base b. So it doesn't matter what base you're going to use here. So it will still work. Okay, so tanaw na to ni sa isa ka example din sa ubos. So wala lang sa ni calculator. Kay madala ra man ni og mental calculation. Okay, so unsa may answer ani? Unsa man ang exponent nga erase na tong 4 para makakuha ta og 64. So that would be 3, right? Because 4 raised to 3 is equal to 64. Kita na na to, ma-solve ba na to gamit ang change of base formula. Let's say mo gamit ang base of 2. So base sa change of base formula. So let's see, if b is equal to 2, so log 2, and then I said rewrite na to tarong me. So log 64 base 4 is also equal to log 2 64 log 64 base 2, and then log 4 base 2. Sige, so unsa man ang exponent nga ato ang erase sa gamiton sa 2 para 4. Di ba 6? Because 2 raised to 6 is 64. And then, sa man ang exponent sa 2 para makuha pag 4. So that would be 2, right? So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So it's the same thing. Okay? Okay, so tanaw na to din hi. Napatay lang examples. So, unsa maning log 7, log 55 base 7. So, unsa man nato siya pagkuan sa calculator. Sa calculator, since na naman tayo default value nga base 10, so mo na itong gamiton. So, atong i-type din hi, log 55 over log of 7. Pa? Based sa change of base formula. So, man ito answer. Makuha na itong value is 2.059. 2.05. Okay, so same thing there is a second item. We have log of 100 base 15. So what we're going to do is use the change of base formula again. So 100 over log of 15. Okay, so you will get 1.700 or 1.701. Okay, so 1.701. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching.